right. So yeah, as you can see, we got one rod casted. I got one rod. My other buddy right here got his other. Right now, I also set up some minnow traps right over here. Whoop, gotta keep. Okay. I also set up some minnow traps right over here. Got one right over here. So far, I got one minnow. And the crazy part is, the last year I did this, I had a bunch of minnows. And when I went on for vacation, they all died except for like 2 of them. I put them in a bucket as I was cleaning the whole tank as I got back, and I accidentally forgot all about them, and they're still alive to this day, which is crazy how these fish can survive extreme condition, but they survive even through the winter. These guys, the mud minnows, they're really, I'll say they're tougher than betta fish, I'll say, in my opinion. All right, I'll see you guys on the next clip. All right, guys. Can never go wrong using worms.
Put worms on my pizza too.
The what? This one says worms on a pizza. Careful. I don't want to cast you out there.
I'd like to go for a swim.
Go for it. You see here, reel that in a bit. I don't know. Apparently, I just came across with a video saying there's gators here in Virginia Beach. Yeah, and I read a lot of people in the comments say they don't. You know where the bridge that goes down on the underground when we need to go to Bass Pro Shop? Yeah, they're saying there's gators in those areas.
That's crazy.
I have never in my life. See you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, I think I got something. Oh, I feel something. It's fighting. Let's see what I got. And it's a catfish. This is new. I haven't caught a catfish in this brackish water. Yeah. Look how tiny this little guy is. Wow. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, come on. Oh, he dookie. Check it out. Look, look. He fought with other catfish. They fought for territory. Who knows? He probably fought for that bait. And then that's when he went all out and tugged hard. Look at that. Even on the other side. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right. Let's let this little guy go. So, yeah, those worms, I've been having them like more than a year in my fridge. And they're still alive. Can't speak for this one. Oh. Yeah, some of them are alive. Alright. Let's go. This guy. Whoops. Trying to see if I can get it in camera. Oh, man. That's good to know that there's catfish in here. Let's go like that. And then, boom. Let me just fix my camera angle. Alright, and let's begin with the cast. I don't even need to cast that far out. Whoops. That was bad. Oh, that's fine right there too. Let's turn you on. Alright. That'll be fine. It's a worm. Alright, yo, check it out. So yeah, some of these worms, I've been having them since last year. this little container, like this guy. Well, this one right here, he looks like he's a goner. You know, this guy's still alive. Yes, I got still some worms. Yeah, you just buy this little container. I bought it at Dick's Sporting Goods. Pretty nice. It just close it and you can both open it on both ends. You see? Check it out. Still got these guys. They look like they're dead, but probably some of them may be dead. But they're just waking up. Oh no, they're just waking up. Shoot. I don't know if you guys can see some of that. They're all moving. Except for that one. Unless he's like in super hibernation mode. But I'll see you guys on the next clip. Alright, what up guys? I'm on here on day 2. Yesterday I only caught one catfish, about like this big, and has some damage on it. I'm also here with my other buddy. He caught himself a largemouth bass right over there. So right now I think I got a fish on. This has been going off. I already got one rod set up right over here actually. Let's see, this takes time. We got one rod over there at that kayak ramp, and then I set up 3 actually minnow traps this time. So let's see if we even got anything. I just been trying to get everything all set up and ready, so let's see. Oh!
That's what you get for losing my rental, shit. You got some?
I think. Yeah, it's fighting.
Nice.
But I also got it. I had to use. Oh, this guy's big. I got an eel. I got an eel.
Nice.
Oh, snap.
Video right there.
Yo, guys, check this out. I got me a large, fresh. I almost say fresh ass eel. I almost say I got me a. He nutted. He swallowed the hook. He swallowed the hook. But either way, guys, yo. Huh? I know, it's because that one's using a bobber.
Okay.
So check it out. Guys, right here. Boom. Let's get this guy dehooked. Ooh. Let's see. I was not expecting that. I thought I got like a catfish. I know I got a dehooking tool here somewhere. Come on. No, I have it here. Shoot, I was not expecting to actually have something. No, it's not in here. I know I have it here somewhere. That's a mosquito. That's just that. Shrimp. No, the one that I brought. But I'm trying to find my dehooking tool. I could have sworn I thought I had one in here. Yeah. He's way. Come on. I can't even grip him. Well, either way. I'm trying to see if I can get it in camera view. So, all right. So check it out, guys. Look how size this guy is. I had to cut the hook. Man, I didn't think these eels get this big. Let's see if I can take him out without him actually biting on me. Come on. I know. Calm down. Hold on. Snap. Also, too, I got like two minnows with the trap.
Nice size ones or what?
They're decent, I'll say. For like the hooks that I'm using, yeah. And I use the small hook. So check it out, guys, right here. So it's a windy day. Right now I only got a 5-aught. It's actually all chewed up for being at the beach, throwing it at the rocks. But this is the shrimp right here that I have. Here's the shrimp that I have right here. And just use a little small offset hook with a little floaty. And that's how I caught that eel. That's amazing. All right. Let's see. Hopefully I don't hit that. Cast that one out. Just reel this guy a little bit in. And then set the hook and lower the drag. And we're all set. All right, I gotta go work on another fish real quick. I mean, another rod. I feel like that's too loud. Let's see if I can get the eel out, guys, now. Let's see. Hopefully, you guys can get good. Harrison. Oh. Snap. Come on. Oh, yeah, this guy. Look at him. Whoop. Let me put him back in the bucket. Yeah. So, yeah, check it out, guys. This is the comments I can get him. He is fine. All slime. Look at that. Perfect. Yeah, all right. He's starting to realize. Let's put him back. Woo, slimy little guy. All right, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next clip. Let's go this way. That way, and then we're just gonna go right there. Check it out. Damn, this guy's slimy. Take one good look before I gotta let him go. Ah, snap. He's just too... I know, bloopers. All right, guys, take one good look before I gotta let him go. This guy was fun catching. Yo, you better not go into the trap after I let him go and he goes like eating all my minnows. All right, let's let you go, my guy. I'm gonna let you go over here. Bro. I put him down exactly next to the trap. Why would you do that? I wasn't paying attention. All right, let me go dump this water and fill it up with all right. Oh shit! Oh damn! Oh snap! Oh snap! Yeah, that's why I wasn't getting any more. They ate all the fucking bait. You need more water than that, bro. Your fish is gonna
They last for days just in this.
I know.
They just started dying last night.
Damn. Like look at some of the like you see the sizes on. All right. So check it out, guys. Well, you guys can't see it. All that under there is all the minnows. I gotta start. All right. I believe I'll just set some few more out there just to see what I can catch. I should have brought a second bucket. Look at that. I forgot my aerator, but they should be fine until the meantime. Should be fine on them. But yeah, all right. So yeah, check it out, guys. This is the traps right here. You can buy them on Amazon or else. These are durable, good. You can catch your minnows with these guys. You know, 2 entrance, that's it. Don't worry, I'm gonna take these guys back home. I got a large tank for them. Right now, they will be fine, even how the way they are there. All right, so let's just start taking some of these guys out. Let's see what we got. I only want just the mud minnows. That is all I want to get to take. I don't want anything else but the mud minnows. Because the thing about mud minnows, a lot of you guys don't know, is that you can keep them in fresh water. You don't have to keep them in salt water. I have keep these guys alive in fresh water. That's how basically resilient they are. Oh snap! Sorry guys, I try to keep the camera angle as best as I can. Ooh, look at that. Whoop. They have like a nice. This one has like a nice tinge yellow to it. Whoop. Yeah, trying to get these guys as best as I can. I'll show you guys right after I'm more done with these guys. Let's see, these guys been sitting. Hold on, I have to check something. All right, let's begin. Doubt I got a fish. I gotta see if I still have my bait. Ooh, nope, I don't. My bait's been taken. Alright. Alright, that's why I wasn't getting any. Hook it. And make sure too these guys don't jump out. All right. One minnow is not doing well. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put on shrimp on this one as well. All right, guys, as you will see, this is where I have the minnows in. As you can see, I'm in my own makeshift filter. Right now, it's a little table, but yeah, it has 2 outlets. That's a different story. When I was trying to experiment how to get this running, the pumps right here, everything's all filter, you know. Other than that, the minnows are gray and healthy, you know. And then this water pump too. Has a little cool feeder system mode. I haven't mounted it yet, but this is how it looks from above. So water sucks up, comes down, fill this up, everything gets filtered in here, and then it comes out right here. This I just have it just to support it for now, the weight, and then it just exhausts and everything runs. All right, again, smash the subscribe button, leave a comment, and stay tuned for the next video.